I'm so bored. Don't go nowhere.
It sounds funny. This is the first time I've ever done this.
The camera.
This is so funny. It's ridiculous. If you could really know me, this would be so much funnier. I sound like one of those stupid little preppy bitches. I don't like those preppy bitches. They piss me off. I sound like Fred! Maybe this is how he gets his voice. I don't know. That's a good question. Maybe this is how he gets his voice. I'm killing my brain cells. That's okay, I'm already stupid. And if you're already stupid, you might as well just keep doing this because then there's no point in getting smart. Do you get what I'm saying?
Shh, don't tell nobody, but my bra is falling.
I was like, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh, but you'd always be mine, mine. Be my little freak, be my little freak, put your hand in my pants, be my little freak. Oh my god!
That's my brother.
What song are we gonna sing? What song are we gonna sing? I don't know. You sound funny. You sound funny. I'm not as funny as you.
Fixing is gone. That's not normal.
I ran out. Yeah, I ran out. That was so funny. That was the funniest thing I've probably done all day.